Practicing mindfulness involves bringing your attention to the present moment and cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Here are some steps you can take to practice mindfulness. 1. Find a quiet space. Start by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and without distraction. 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. 3. Notice your thoughts. As you focus on your breath, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. Try not to judge or get caught up in these thoughts, but simply observe them and let them pass. 4. Bring your attention back to your breath. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath. 5. Practice daily. Try to set aside a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness. Over time, you can gradually increase the duration of your practice. 6. Try guided meditations. There are many guided meditations available online or through apps that can help you develop your mindfulness practice. 7. Practice mindfulness in daily life. You can also practice mindfulness in your daily life by bringing awareness to everyday activities, such as eating, walking, or brushing your teeth. 8. Use your senses. Another way to practice mindfulness is to focus on your senses. Take a few minutes to pay attention to what you can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. For example, you might notice the colors and shapes of objects around you, the sounds of birds chirping or traffic passing by, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the taste of a piece of fruit, or the sensation of the sun on your skin. 9. Cultivate non-judgmental awareness. When you practice mindfulness, try to cultivate a non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Rather than labeling them as good or bad, simply observe them without attachment or judgment. 10. Practice self-compassion. Mindfulness can also help you cultivate self-compassion, which involves treating yourself with kindness and understanding, rather than self-criticism or judgment. When you notice negative thoughts or feelings arising, try to respond to them with self-compassion and understanding. 11. Join a mindfulness community. Consider joining a mindfulness community or group to connect with others who are also practicing mindfulness. This can provide support and encouragement as you develop your practice. 12. Be patient with yourself. Remember that mindfulness is a practice, and it takes time and patience to develop. Don't worry if you find it challenging or if your mind wanders. Simply notice what is happening and gently bring your attention back to the present moment. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can develop greater awareness, focus, and resilience in your daily life. If you have any questions or concerns, consider seeking guidance from a mindfulness teacher or mental health professional.